Okay, hello. So our next topic is about LCM and LCD. So based on this um, um, definition, the least common multiple is a set of numbers. This is the smallest number which is exactly divisible by all the numbers in the set. Pag may pag-part siya ng isang fraction, the least common denominator or LCD of two or more rational algebraic expression is the least common multiple of the denominators. So, the same lang din yung pagkuha sa kanila, pero ang LCM walang numerator. Pero sa LCD, part siya ng denominator. So, ano natin gagawin? Okay? Let us start with this one. Find the LCD of the following: a over 12x and b over 4xy. So, mahalagang uh, malaman natin ang LCD so that pag nag-a-add tayo o nagsusubtract tayo ay madali natin ma-solve yung ating rational expressions using the LCD. So hiwalay ko muna yung topic tungkol dito. So, paano natin gagawin? Una natin gagawin is sulat natin. So 12x and 4x. Okay. Okay, next step is i-prime factor, kunin natin ang prime factor ng 12x. Doon sa unang topic natin which is extracting the prime factors using web method. Very useful ito dito sa topic sa topic na ito. So 12x, ang prime factors ng 12x ay 2 times 2 times 3 times x. Okay. Ang 4xy naman ay 2 times 2 times x times y. Okay. So, una natin gagawin is kunin natin muna yung mga common. Okay, then count it as 1. So, ito yung unang common ay 2. Yung pangalawang common ay 2. Tapos, yung pangatlong common ay x. Okay, do not mistake this one sa sa GCF ha. Okay, kasi iba 'yon. Okay, kasi common 'yon. So, this is least common denominator. So, tapos anong gagawin natin? So, ito namang walang common. Ang gagawin natin is ibababa natin siya. Then, itong y din, since wala siyang common, ibababa natin siya. Then, the next step is multiply all the terms na kolekta natin dito. So, 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, teka, may mali pala tayo dito. 5 pala ito. So, that's 4. Ulitin natin. 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12 times x is 12x times y is 12 x y. Take note that pag nag-multiply tayo ng variables, yung mga letters, lagi natin i-arrange alphabetically. So the LCD of 12x and 4xy is 12x. So this is how we get the LCD. Okay. Let's proceed to the next number. The next number is, okay, what is the LCD of x squared plus 25 and x squared plus 8x plus 15? Okay, so, ano natin gagawin yan? Una natin gagawin is, kunin natin, arrange muna natin, x squared minus 25 tapos x squared plus 8x plus 15. Okay, then factor natin. X squared minus 25, yes, ang factor niya is x plus 5 x minus 5. Then the factor of x squared plus 8x plus 15 is x plus 5 and x plus x plus 3. Okay, notice na hanggat maaari, ina-align ko yung mga terms so that mas madali siyang kunin. Okay, katulad ng isa kong example, kunin muna natin ang common. Ang unang common is x plus 5. So, sulat natin. X plus 5. Enclose it with a parenthesis. So, pag may common, we count that as 1. Okay. So, ang gagawin natin sa mga hindi na common, ito brown, bibling lang natin. So, x minus 5. Tapos, yung itong isa pa na hindi na common, ipabaling natin. X plus 3. So, therefore, the LCD of x squared minus 25 and x squared plus 8x plus 15 are x plus 5, x minus 5, and x plus 3. So, this is the LCD. Okay. Next. How about this one? So, paano natin gagawin ito? Okay, una, gawin natin. X squared minus 9 then 4x minus 12. Okay, ito na natin sa parentheses. Then, factor 10. Okay, the factors of x squared minus 9 is x plus 3 x minus 3. Okay, the factor of 4x minus 12 is we can factor them using getting the common monomial factors. Ang common sa 4x at saka sa 12 ay 4. Then, okay, let me tapos x. Hindi, medyo mahirap i-sulat. X minus 3. Okay, alay natin. Okay, katulad na sinabi ko, una natin gagawin is, kunin natin muna yung common. Then, count it as 1. So, yung unang common is x minus 3. Ang gagawin natin sa iba, ibaba na natin. x plus 3. Tapos pag may single number or variable, dito natin lalagay sa unahan. O, yung lagay na natin sa unahan. So, okay. So, the prime, okay. So, the LCD of x squared minus 10 and 4x minus 12 are 4, parenthesis, x plus 3, x minus. Okay, kaya x. Okay, how about this one? Okay, x plus 3, x plus 7. So, paano kaya pag hindi, okay, itong case na to, so, x plus 3, okay. Notice na they are not factorable naman. At wala rin na siyang common. So, gagawin lang natin. What is the factors of x plus 3? So, x plus 3. And the factors of x plus 7 is x plus 7. So, hindi siya parehas. Ang gagawin natin is, ibababa lang natin siya. Parehas dito. So, yung isang factor niya is x plus 3. Yung pangalawang factor niya is x plus 7. So, therefore, the LCD of x plus 3, x plus 7 is x plus 3 and x plus 7. So, that's it for our topic about LCD.